Okay, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1, and we are going to ask you some questions and you have to answer, right?
Yes.
Do you walk a lot?
Yes, I like a walk.
Listen, the question is not whether you like it or not. Do you walk a lot? Say, yes, I do. I walk for several kilometers every day, something like that. So, do you walk a lot?
Yes, I walk a lot in park.
In park?
In park to go to the exercise.
I go for
I
exercise.
go for exercise in the evening, in everyday evening.
So there I walk. Focus walk. Don't focus park. Don't focus exercise. Just focus walk. Right? In the evening I go to the park and there is a jogging track. On that track I walk for at least 1 hour. So to answer your question, I walk too much.
I walk.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go on.
Where do you usually take a walk?
Usually I go to the park for walk to make exercise for good. Exercise is more important for
This is
energy.
irrelevant. This is irrelevant. Exercise is important. Exercise is this. The topic is not exercise. Topic is, do you walk? What is the topic question?
Where do
you usually take a walk? So in order to walk, I go to a nearby park. There is a very nice park near my house, and around that park there is a track. And I mostly walk on that track. Right? If your focus is on exercise, that's not the topic. So you need to focus the topic. Okay? Let's go on.
Do you walk more than in the past?
Yes, I prefer walk when
I prefer to walk.
I prefer to walk when I preparation for the running in Punjab Police.
Okay, when I was preparing for a running test in Punjab Police, that time I did. Well, the basic thing is your answers are not according to the question.
Yes.
So the first thing, you need to understand the question and answer accordingly. And then you need to add some detail. Your answers are very short. So come up with more ideas, add detail, it'll be fine, right? Thank you.